Throw me my Jerry beads now because I'm wearing this out. Food out. Post up the food, but don't post it. Post up the bag, but don't post the period. Yeah.
Been calling you. The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, if you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So as you can see today, I'm giving very summer vibe. I'm giving very fly me out. I'm giving very resort first class vibe. So today I'm coming with a SHEIN haul. As usual, all the links and sizes will be in the description box in the order that I try stuff on. So with this first set, I'm giving very resort, floral, just everything like tropical island vibe. So this two-piece set, I love the pants, y'all. So the pants go all the way down to the floor, which I love. I'm very short and it's not bad. Like if you're someone who want to wear heels with it, it's fine, but I think sandals will do you just great as well. As for the bralette part, like it's not much support, so if you're someone who's not that confident with doing these, I would probably suggest like pasties or something like that. But if you like me, honey, we just gonna wear it how it is. That's how we vibe and this how we coming. The only thing I don't like, which I probably like cut off, is the tag right here. I keep tucking it in, but every time I move it keeps coming back out. Y'all, this is so cute, and I probably could tie it a little tighter for more support or whatever. This, I'm gonna show you the back. It's giving very much rolls for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So there's the back of this. So it's gonna be out. Who cares? We're on a resort, honey. We spend all this money. We got flued out. Why not show it off? Period. So this first set, I love it. It has a elastic waist, so I think it's great. I love it. I love it so much. The only thing is the support on this. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. Alright, y'all, so the next set is also giving very tropical vibe, very fly me out. This one's just a little bit more risque. You have way more legs out. Basically all your legs is out. This is also cute. Now with the top is just like a long wrap thing supposed to be, but I feel like I should have gotten like a bigger size so it could be a little longer so that I can like do a little bit more. It wasn't giving a lot, so I kind of just like wrapped it around my bra. I do have a bra on, and like I tucked it in. The way the model had it, it was like hanging, but for me, I think because I have bigger bust, it wasn't allowing me to like play with it. And y'all know that TikTok trick where you gotta put it and cover your bra and everything like that. I wasn't able to do that just because it was too short, so I just like kind of wrapped it in to make it look just like a regular bandeau. I like it. I think I like the first one a little bit more. I probably give this one like a 7 out of 10. The legs is out. Usually I'm all for all of it being out, but I just feel like both of them, I don't know. Oh, the color though, it's still giving very much resort. It's still giving very much fly me out and all of that. From the back, it looks like a jumpsuit. If it was like all covered, I feel like I would have loved it a little bit more. But I get it. You're on vacation and everything like that. So if you want your legs out a little bit, you are free to do so. And then the top is not really giving. So this one does sweep the floor as well, goes all the way down. When you walk in a little bit, I'm stepping on it, so I don't really like that as much. 7 out of 10, 6 out of 10, I don't know. The split throwing me off a little bit. So the next thing is this romper here. I love the yellow that is popping out with this romper. It's also giving very tropical, very vacation night. You're going for a little stroll. I think it's really cute. Up here is a little weird because it's a little big. I don't know if it's supposed to be like off your shoulder a little bit or what, but it's a little weird right here. It's a little big, and I did go ahead with this part and tuck it into my bra. You're seeing my bra right here, but this is the best that I was able to like finesse it, because if you wear a full bra, it'll be worse. So I just have a half a bra on. But it's supposed to have like an opening right here. You're not really seeing that. The ends of the romper has this like frill detail. Also have the same detail on the sleeve area as well, as down here. So it's really cute. I just love the print. I don't know what it was. Usually when I'm thinking summer or something like that, I really think about a lot of color. But I think this is really nice, and the yellow is speaking. I really love it. It's really nice. The material is very nice and soft for quality and everything. I would give this like an 8 out of 10. Let me know. I feel like the fit is throwing me off a little bit. It's making my not sitting up I feel like, but I don't know. It's fine. We don't always need it to be poking. Okay, probably would just add like a necklace. I probably you could dress this up with heels or down with some sandals or something with a nice little shoulder bag. I probably would have bring the yellow out some more because that's what I love. So I probably wear like a nice yellow bag with not ODing with the yellow, but definitely a yellow bag, and probably some brown sandals or black sandals or something like that. But all in all, like I said, I would give this like an 8 out of 10. It's very nice. The material is very comfortable. Like, it feels, the quality feels really good. I feel like SHEIN, I haven't ordered in a while, but honey, let me find out. I gotta be over SHEIN more often, honey. I love like sleeves that's extra, so I love the sleeve detail and everything like that, honey. Let's honey, might I say more? Might I say more? Like, this top, I love it. The color, very much resort, very much island, very much tropical, travel, flew me out. All of that, honey. Sometimes us plus women, we shy away from tops like these, but I'm telling you, sis, get it. I got this in a 2X, I think. I should have gotten a 1X. So the part up here behind my neck, it's not really something that you tie. It comes with buttons. So what I did, I got like a scrunchie and I tied it a little bit more to get a little bit more support. So that's something you could do if you're wearing like wigs. If you're wearing like long hair or something that it won't show, that's a good hack to give you a little bit more support, because it wasn't really giving a lot, but I love this top and I was like, I'm gonna make it work. So if you're comfortable wearing like this, definitely. If you want to wear pasties to give you a little bit more oomph, definitely you could do that as well. But I think this top right here, honey, I was very hesitant with getting shorts from SHEIN, y'all. Like, I just wanted to try it out. I'll be y'all guinea pig. That's what I'm here for, to be y'all guinea pig. Try it out to see if this is something that we would wear. And I would say definitely. It's a little baggy. I definitely don't think that I could have sized down. It would have been too tight. I'm gonna bring this to like a shop to get it altered some way, because it does have this baggy look right here. I probably won't wear the top with these shorts, but I'm really trying to just stick to SHEIN pieces and not like mix and match. But I definitely know I have some shorts that will go perfect with this top right here, honey. Like, y'all, can you picture me like with my little beach bag and just, can I get me a strawberry daiquiri, please? Can I get me a sex on the beach? Honey, we ordering all the drinks. The back is out. It's a summer. We're not gonna be hot. Wear it out, y'all. Like, honey, wear it out. Just wear it out. They be alright. Sometimes we be thinking people looking. Nobody looking, sis. We all just trying to have fun on this resort. We did not pay all that money to come to a resort to be wearing anything but this. Okay? And I'm talking about resort, but anywhere you going, sis, anywhere you going, on the beach, to the pool, whatever, we slaying. Fall 2021, all summer long. I wish this was a styling video, because I want to show y'all how I would style this so bad. Ooh, y'all, so cute. Y'all just gonna have to stay tuned on the gram. If you don't follow me on the gram, follow me. Actually, so the next top that I got is just this regular basic tee that says woman. Love the quality of this. I feel like the last time I ordered shirts from SHEIN, the quality definitely stepped up a little bit. It's not quite cotton, but you could tell it's like a mixture. Y'all know how I like to like tie my shirts, whether it's in the front or on the side or on the back. I probably do something like that. But if you're just want to wear it, a trick to doing this is just lift up the sides and pull it to the front, so you have a little, you know, your badunkadunk still in the back and everything like that. Just a basic white tee. I love it. Again, cute with these shorts. Cute. Sometimes, you know, you're on a resort, you just want to throw something on, or in the summer you just want to throw something. I keep saying resort because we manifesting out here, but I'm gonna start saying summer, y'all, because not everybody gonna be on a resort. I'm not gonna be on a resort either, but I'm manifesting it, okay? There we go. Y'all can see it a little better. It's just basic. It's not see-through at all, but it's not as thick white. Really cute, really basic, really nice, and y'all, woman power, period. That's why I got it. So we have ourselves another tee. It says I need my space. I saw it and I just honestly loved how it looked. Same quality as the one with the woman. Really nice and soft. Again, just a regular basic tee. I love it. 10 out of 10. I mean, it's a t-shirt. I think this is dope. Again with the shorts, honey. We need to give it up for the shorts. Let's give it up for the back of the shorts. So the next top is this type of top that is very trendy right now. Gives you a little shape to your body. Looks like a corset, but it's in no way corset. It's very stretchy. When you first get it, it's gonna look like, oh my god, it didn't fit, because just now I thought it didn't fit, but there are hooks that you just have to attach and it'll look really nice. It's very comfortable. It's heavy on not having undergarment showing, so I probably just tuck my bra in a little bit more, wear a different bra. Top is just basic, again, just nice and cute, something to throw on with. It's even cute with these shorts or something, you know, just nice and cute. It gives your body a nice shape, which I love, because who don't always like looking okay? Y'all know what I'm talking about. The material is stretchy and everything like that. I was a little concerned that it wasn't going to fit, but it did, and I love it. You know, you don't want to quite put on a t-shirt, but you also don't want to like get crazy dressy. This is a nice little subtle look. I give this a 10 out of 10, period. Next top is like a nice collared shirt. The quality on this, A1. A1. I don't own anything with a collar like this. It is so cute, like so thick. I'm telling you, the quality, SHEIN, I don't know what y'all got going on or who started making y'all clothes, but stick with it, okay? I feel like I'm getting more W's than L's with this all. Like, y'all know sometimes it be missing, but let me tell you, honey, in basic but cute. 9 out of 10. Just because if I had sized up, it would have been too big, but then the quality would have been a little bit better. But because it's stretching a little bit, it's looking like a little washed out a little bit. I don't know how to explain it. Like if I had sized up a little bit, that wouldn't be the case. But then if I sized up, it wouldn't fit me so bomb. Like, period. I really love it. And this shorts, the more I have it on, the more I'm like, okay, SHEIN, cute. All right, y'all, similar to the white one. It's given. Yep, it is. It's just a different color. Same material, same quality. You know, sometimes you be switching the same color and the quality kind of a little bit, but no, this one, same thing. I feel like I love this one a little bit more just because the white was like showing that stretchy look, but this, no, this is just a nice green. I don't really wear green as much, but again, fire with this shorts, like, period. I did not realize how many tops I ordered, but the next one is this detail. The detail for this one is at the top. It's a crop top as well. Again, if you wear high-waisted shorts or pants or whatever, it won't, you know, if you're worried about the midsection area. But the detail here is up here. We just have these two straps going on opposite sides. Now you do have the freedom to put it on one side, both of them on one side if you choose to. I just prefer the detail here. For this one, I would give it a 6 or a 7 out of 10 just because of this area. I would love to have these area covered, but it's not really given there. Do have coverage in the back as well. It's the same detail. But all in all, you can't go bad with a regular black top. Again, with the detail, just give it a little bit more oomph. But I love it as well. Really cute. If they sell it in white, I'm getting it, period. Same quality, same everything. The only complaint for the white one is that the stretching here. The stretching, again, it looks a little thinner, but it's cute. Y'all, might I say more? I feel like it fits the breast area as much, but this is something I'm willing to finesse. So this is probably something I wouldn't wear when I go drinking. I mean, I don't get drunk or anything like that, but you know, it can slip real quick. But I'm telling you, I'm willing to sacrifice. I'm willing to get some jerry beads, if you know what I mean. It's just look at the sleeve. Y'all know I am a sucker for sleeves. Can we get into it? You can wear it long, honey. You can wear it at the elbow if you wanted to, honey. It's still given. I prefer it down here, but it's still given. So cute. I probably honestly will get some tape and like tape right here, because I feel like just right here is the issue. Right here. It's giving support because I don't have a bra on. It's giving all of that. The color though. Y'all see that color? Y'all see that color? Y'all see that color up against this skin tone? Do y'all see that? Love it. I swear, SHEIN gonna get all my coins. SHEIN gonna make me have a hot girl summer, period. So I probably won't wear it with these shorts. I'm just keeping them on for the purpose of the video. I just really want to show you stuff from this order and not mixing and matching anything. You know, it covers the roll in the back. It has that square shape. I love it. I love this look. Like even with denim, it'll look cute. I probably would change the shorts though, but this right here is my swag. This is about my favorite. 20 out of 10. Period. The next piece is this hair bodysuit. I always shy away from bodysuit because I feel like it doesn't do anything for my body. But honey, was I wrong? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Cute AF. Everything is just giving. Look how it just like, and I'm not even tucking anything in. I love the detail here on this bodysuit. It's not see-through at all. I love the detail right here. Y'all know this style is very in as well. The quality is very good. It feels very much like cotton. It feels really nice. I don't know what it is, y'all, but I'm just loving it. They say black make you look, and girl, I'm looking okay. All right, let's give it up for the bodysuit. Let's give it up for the detail of the bodysuit. Period. This is cute. This is giving very Netflix and chill with your boo vibe. Or if you're having a hot girl summer out here, your sneaky link. Very nice lounge set. Obviously, you can wear this out, but this is definitely lounging around the house. You know, just something nice and cute. Quality, A1. Y'all, look at that stretch. Thick. It's very thick. The waist of this is very stretchy. Now, these, y'all know how SHEIN is. This can't get any tighter. It's just there for styling. Cute, short, brown. I love browns. It's giving very much browns, like all shades of browns, and I love it. I would wear this like Netflix and chill type vibe. To be honest, just lounging around the house. You definitely wear it out, running to the supermarket, running errands or something like that. You want to be cute, go for it, sis. But really nice and comfy for your Netflix and chill or your sneaky link. Whatever you want it to be, it can be that. This one, I'll give it a 8.5 out of 10. All right, y'all, so here's another one. This one is less flattering. Like, look at it. You could see all my little... This one is probably my least favorite, but it's still cute. I love the color. Again, lounging around in a house type vibe. I don't like the material either. It's one of those... It's not polyester. It feels like silky. I don't know how to explain it. You can see everything. It's showing everything. Like, all your rows, all your cellulite. I just don't feel like it's very flattering. The color is very nice though. Don't get me wrong with this one. This one I'm giving like a 4 out of 10. I really don't like this one, y'all. Let me know what you think down below, but this is a no for me. I feel like we got too much W, so the universe is trying to humble me a little bit. I really thought this was going to be cute. I love the color and everything. One, it don't fit. I think this was the biggest size that they had. That's why I got it. It was supposed to be like a 2-piece cover-up. For the beach or whatever. It goes on, but it's too tight. You know what I'm saying? Like, we got everything hanging out. Like, the top clearly doesn't fit because that's my whole bra right there. But yeah, it's not giving. Love the color though. So this one, 4 out of 10. On the arms right here, it has this uncomfortable ruching thing going on. So I'm not sure if the ruching part right here was supposed to be like, if it's supposed to be a little bit more comfortable if I got a better size, but it feels a little uncomfortable. I don't know, maybe because the shirt is a little small. I think I just need to stay away from SHEIN 2-piece sets. They just don't do anything for my body. The top has 2 strings, not sure what for because it's confusing the tie. On the model I know it looked right, I just don't remember how she tied it. The tights, it's very good quality. The elastic in the waist, very good quality. Like for quality, it's a 10 out of 10. I just don't like how it fits my body. I feel like us plus size women, sometimes we just need to understand our body type and know what works and what, and some people don't give a, and sometimes that's me. I really don't care. I just put on my clothes. But it's the summertime. I'm trying to have a hot girl summer. I'm trying to get flued out somewhere, okay? So I'm just trying to wear stuff that accentuate my body type. I just don't feel like this is given. Nope, it's not. The color is cute. The quality is great. But as for how it fits me, 3 out of 10. I know this haul is long, but I got a lot of stuff. We're trying to have a hot girl summer. We're trying to be cute out here, period. The first dress, so it's really short right here, and then it just slants all the way down. Well, not all the way down. It stops like right here. I think it's really cute. It's not zipped up all the way in the back just because I don't have anybody to zip it up right now. I love it. It's like the leg out, but the other one is covered. I'll probably pair these with some heels. Definitely cute. It's given a little bit stretchy, so definitely order your right size. I love showing like a leg, but then the other one is covered, you know what I'm saying? It's really cute. So all in all, I'd probably give this dress like a 9 out of 10. I give it like an 8.5, 9 out of 10. It's really cute. All right, y'all, so this dress right here, I love it. Just off the bat, I love the detail, the color, and everything that it's given. It's a ruche dress, so you make it as short as you want or as long as you want. It also have the strings that you tie it. Up here, you can also tie it, so you can make it as tight as you want or as loose as you want as well. The dress is very stretchy. I really like it. I would say it's like a nice little evening wear or a daytime wear, something just like when the sun is setting type of dress. I would say the material is very nice. It's very giving. Let me show you the back. It's a little shorter in the back area, so if you don't want it that short, it's not that bad. But again, you can make the ruching part, you can just make it a little longer, and then it will be longer in the back as well. I would give this just like a solid 8 out of 10. All right, y'all, so the next dress is this midi dress right here. Back up so y'all can see. Comes down right below my knees. Also have the ruching material, so you can make it shorter if you want. I don't know how I feel about this. It has like padding up here. I've never wore something like this unless it's like a jacket. I don't know. I feel like it has potential, but I don't know how I feel about it. What do we call it? Tie-dye? Let me know. I don't feel like it's given. It's not really given. It's questionable for me. I don't know. The material is very nice and soft. I just don't like how it's showing my midsection right here. And the color or the pattern, I don't know. The design, I don't know. And this up here is throwing me off too. I don't know. So it's just a lot of questions. So I will give this like a 5 out of 10 just because I'm not sure. I wouldn't even wear this to work, so I don't know. It's a no. So this next dress is giving very much baby pink, and I love the color. But it's this ruche detail, but this one is in the front of it. So again, you can make it shorter if you want, longer if you choose. Material is very nice. It's very much polyester. It's very stretchy. It's very basic though. The ruching isn't bad because then, you know, you get that effect of your midsection and everything like that. It's cute. It's just basic. It's just me, I don't know, just throwing something on to go run some errands or something like that, to be honest. This one isn't short. This one is like a nice length. It's cute though. I like it. I'll give it like an 8 out of 10. All right, y'all, so this next dress is giving very much, it's a boy gender reveal baby shower type vibe. I don't know, it's not zipped up all the way in the back, but, and I'm not sure if it can be zipped up all the way in the back. It's not really flattering to my body. I love the top part of it. I love the sleeves. Y'all know I love sleeves, like extra sleeves. If you have bigger arms, definitely this is a go. But I don't know, it's not really given. I probably could wear it to work, you know what I'm saying, if I can get it zipped up. And it's not short, so yeah, but it's giving very baby shower, and I'm not feeling that because we're having a hot girl summer, okay? No shade to anybody who's doing that. I'm just saying, not me. So this next piece is this here mini skirt right here. It's a slight little slit on the side, which is really cute. I love the pattern. It's giving very much summer vibe, definitely with the flowers and just the color scheme of everything. The one thing I don't like is that the zip is in the front, and I know it belongs in the front because the split is right here on the side. But it's cute. It's just nice and simple. Again, something just to throw on really quickly. You can pair this with sandals, with some sneakers. I'll probably rock it with some sneakers, to be honest. This is a 9 out of 10. When I saw this bag, I was like, gotta have it. It is so cute. The color is beautiful. The color is beautiful. You can bring it this way, you know, just by the hand. You can also bring it by the straps. The straps can come off, by the way, so let's see. I'm not one to really wear my purses like this, but if you want to, definitely. It's even a look with this skirt, even though the blues doesn't really match up, but it can still go. You can still finesse it. You can bring it like that, but I would, honestly, I would take the straps off. I'll probably just bring it like this. This is really cute. Talk to me nice, period. Stitch, the detail, everything is really cute. It's very much sturdy as well. Really cute. 10 out of 10. The next one is this here. I don't know, I feel like online it was very much given, but in person it dropped a couple points because I don't know if it was the box is kind of like messed up a little bit. It's not straight or anything like that, and the denim just looks very like washed out. What caught me was the pearl detail. It's a very cute purse. You do get these straps as well. I would never, but if that's your style, don't let me stop you, but I would never bring these. I would probably just throw them out, to be honest, and bring it this way. I love the way that it looks. Again, I'll probably give this like a 7 out of 10 just because the quality and everything isn't like up to par. But again, you get what you pay for, but it's really cute. I love it. The next thing I got is something out of my comfort zone. I've never tried it. It's some sunglasses, and they actually come in case. So shout out to SHEIN for that. So it's these like, you know, glasses here. Oh, tell me that these aren't cute. Yeah, I like them. I like them. I just feel like because my face is very round, I never go for like glasses like this. But listen, 2021, we coming out. Period. We coming out. The fact that they give you a pouch to put your glasses in and something to clean off your glasses, love it. Bougie on a budget. Period. Now the last item are these pair of Bottega inspired heels that's very trendy right now. They're a little short. I would say they're about 3 inches or so. Online they looked very pink though. I was very surprised with the color in person, but overall I like them. Something different. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next one. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know which piece was your favorite. And if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, sis. What you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join our Day One family. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.